Hi everyone. So, if you are a professional that has a lot of startup ideas in their bank, or if you are startup founder, if you are a solopreneur, I have something for you that's going to be a game changer when it comes to getting your idea off the ground. So, let's say that you have to attend a networking event today, and you're going to talk to a lot of people during that event about this new idea that you have. So Mixo is one of the tools that you can use to create a fully functioning website for your new idea in literally minutes. So let's explore how this works. Once you log into Mixo, it's going to bring you to a screen like this. And it's going to prompt you to write a line about what your business idea is. We're going to try and create a website for an online marketplace that sells sustainable products. So let's just write that here. And then once you're done with your one-liner, you can just click on generate site, and then you can just sit back and let it do all the work for you. So yeah, this is the result. It has come up with not just a name for your business. We also have a great hero text here, a call to action, some social proof, and then it has added images and just some more text that you can customize according to your needs and just add whatever you want to add, and just make it more personal to the things that you had in mind. But this is a great start because all the formatting has actually been done for you, and people who are interested in knowing more about what your business actually is can just put in their email here, and then you'll have a bunch of leads that you can start getting in touch with from day one.